Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder. FluxBuilder is a drag-and-drop app builder that helps you turn websites or ideas into beautiful progressive web app, iOS and Android apps faster and without coding. If you haven't created your first app yet, check out our beginner tutorial linked in the description below. In this video, we'll show you how to add a brand carousel to your home page. Open your app, then navigate to Design, then Home. Add a new brand carousel layout to your home layout. For a better preview, let's move the layout to the top of the page. As you can see, the brand items are displayed without a background by default. I'll enable the background option to make them stand out. The carousel is set to autoplay, so the brand items automatically slide to the left. You can also change the box fit of the brand images to control how they are displayed, and adjust the corner radius to create rounded images. Starting with this version, the brand carousel also supports loop mode, allowing the carousel to scroll continuously. I'll disable autoplay for a moment to demonstrate how the loop works. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more FluxBuilder tutorials and updates. See you in the next video.